check the mail. Okay, let's go out to the pool and open it up. Coffee from Storyville Coffee Company in Seattle. Mom and Pops, which one of my children? Let's open it up and see what it looks like. Let's see. Here we go. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, prologue. Wonderful. I'll make this upstairs in just a minute, but first, now I'm going to lay in the sun, then go up and make some prologue coffee. Push that little red button that says subscribe and you will be my new friend. Won't cost you a dime. Got this Storyville prologue fresh roasted coffee sent to me by one of my sons. Did not put his name on here. We're gonna open it up and try it out. And I call these milkshake grinders. What you do is you grind it, you pick it up and you shake it like this. And you find that coffee grinders like this are just as good as $1,000 grinders if they pick them up and shake them. Like this. So I did that. You can't smell it, but oh, this smells great. Put the coffee grounds in your press pot. Add hot water. So put my coffee in my press pot. Let it sit for 3 minutes. And slowly push it down. Push subscribe. I can't say subscribe. Why don't you just say push the friend button, the little red friend button, and then you can be my friend. Thanks. Hey, turns out it was Evan who got me the coffee and Mariana for shipping it. Thank you, thank you, thank you.